So, I've got to remember where we are. So here we are, GridRunner, and I've completely forgot.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, someone followed? Well, thank you very much who followed. Right, let's get this show on the road. An hour left in the workday, so alright. Okay, I'll try and make this hour go swimmingly. Right, so we are talking GridRunner. So this is episode 3, I think. I think that's what I put on there. Of recoding it. So let's run it and find out where we got up to. So and of course it comes there. Right. Ooh. Oh, I can't remember. I can't remember. Oh. Well, it would help to be on the right file for a kickoff. Right. Okay, so where was we? Fire. Fire. How did I do the fire? Oh, 2, wasn't it? Right, so we've done the grid formation. So now it's where the ship materializes in the middle. So I suppose that's going to be the next thing we're going to do. Right. Right, let's see. Can you see that? Let's boost it up one. Can you see that? Is that all right? Right, so let's find out how Mr. Minter did it. So we're at the top. God, I ain't looked at this in 2 weeks, isn't it? Oh, no wonder. Okay. Materialized ship. This looks like it. Alright. So let's understand what he's doing. So this must be a timer he's using. No, it looks like it's going to be the stepper. So yeah, so 16 away. Well, it could be. Let's run it. It could be. We'll try and slow it down as well. Oh, I've got to swap the joysticks over again. Where is speed? There. Right, here we go. Let's see what he's up to. Yes, I know. Yes, so it's definitely 15 away. So it's going to be here, here, here. But he also had it down here as well, didn't he? Let's just reset this. Put the speed back on 100. Now the sound won't be on because it complained, but as soon as it... Ooh, just a bit late. So he's got 5. Okay. We'll do that again. Let's see if we can pause it at the right time. Is there a pause button? Pause. Alt and pause. Alt and pause. Okay. We'll have to try and see if we can hit that. Right, here we go. So we're expecting the ship to materialize around here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep. So let's move this at 10%. Alt, pause. So we've got 5. So is that 15 up as well? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So we have got, so the materialization routine looks like there's 5 parts to it. We've got right hand side coming into the center from 15, left hand side coming to the center 15 away, and it looks like we've got the same 15 up but in 3 parts. So one is directly above where we're going to materialize, one is 15 away on the left, and one is 15 away on the right. Okay, does the character change? Let's have a look. Yes, it does. Right. So that's what we're going to try and achieve. So, hello. So we need to understand how he's doing it. And if he's doing it in a way that I think that is optimal, we'll just copy it. So it looks like he's setting the SID chip again. He's loading the screen. He's loading the screen character with the animation sprite. Its character. Loading the character color. Right. So this is doing. So the screen row divided by 2 plus 1. Stores it in the row. So this looks like it could be the top one. No, how can it be? No. Load 14, subtract whatever's in 10. Store it in the column. All right. Okay. So he's actually doing. Oh, that's why it jumped then at the end. I thought there was a bug in the software, because he noticed when it got to the very last. Getting to there was a jump, and I thought it was a bug, but it looks like it's on purpose. Let's see if we can map this out. Right, if that's where the ship is, then we need one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. Yeah, something like that. But he's done it, there's a buffer, and I don't want to do that. I want to make it come all the way down. I want to make it come all the way down. So it bangs straight, it hits the cell. Well, it's one short of the cell. So, now he did it 15, so we'll do it more than 15. MS Paint. I tried that with the Pygame stream, and my lines didn't come out as lines. Trying to see if I can get something that I can draw on so you can see when that. Someone said a graphics tab or something. Right, so that's the row, the screen row divided by 2. So we start in halfway down and then add ones to it. So the screen length will be 40, 21. So that's row 21 down. And we've got... Ooh, that can't be right. That can't be right. Oh, it's row length. Ugh. What am I talking about? Storing it in row. Loads 14, then stores it in the column. Well, that doesn't sound right either. Because if you're storing it in the row, that doesn't sound right. I reckon he's swapped over the. Let's put a breakpoint here. I want to see this in action because I'm not sure that math works. Come on. Just make sure you guys can see it. There we go. Right, I don't want that one. I want that one. Oh, a bit too quick. Oh, is it on? Ah, that's why. 32768. The joystick on. F9. Have I got the joystick set up right? Port 2, yep. Right, so fire is that. Right then, let's see what's going on here. So, that's the start sound. Right, here we go. So he's loading 15. It's 21. Loads 14. Subtracts whatever's in A, which is 7. A. Yep. Stores it in 2. Oh, I can't bother to do that. Oh, we'll do it anyway. So he's going to store that. That's the bottom corner down here. Yeah, you can see it down here, bottom corner. So it must be right. Then he's loading 14. Then he adds. Right, so he's doing it again. Store it. So we should.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Whoever followed, thank you very much. So this is this side here. So his maths must be right. Because if he's storing 21 and then adding, I think he's oh, hang on. There's 21 rows, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep. 21 rows. Right. Just a fluke. Right, what's he doing next? So he's loading 3. So that's 15. So he's loading 3. So that's here. Subtracting 10. Placing the next one. Right, where's that going to turn up? Yeah, it's just a fluke, mate. It's just a fluke. I've disassembled it and I've assumed that it's the screen length, but it's not. It's not the screen length. It's 21. It's the actual grid depth. Where have I got that? Where have I got that set? Yeah, it's the grid. It's the grid row size. It's this one here. It was just so. It was just coincidental that it was the thing. So we're talking 21 rows. Yeah. Which is that matrix size plus 1. Oh, it's not even that, it's just the matrix size. Matrix row size. It just so happened it worked out to that. So we will change this to make sure that it's right. I don't think I do. I don't think I set it anywhere else. Oh, here we go. And that's the same as well. Oh no. No, undo, John. That's right, because it's the column, that one is. So that would work now in your VIC-20 scenario, Andy, because the matrix row size would be different for the VIC-20 when we come to doing it that way. It was just so happened that when I was working, because it was 21 in there, you know, half of 40 plus 1 is 21. And I thought it was that, but it's not. That explains things then. That explains things. So, I'm not so confused now. So he starts at... So he starts in... Right, for me looking at that, it starts in this bottom corner. Then he does this bottom corner. Then he goes up. then he goes across and then he does that, back looks on it. So that's what we're going to do. And to be honest, he's done it pretty cleverly, because what he's doing is taking the last position and working out the next one. So this is putting the character on the screen. Reset material. Then he's doing a delay. We'll have to see what that delay is. Let's do a quick peek. Oh, it's the full on delay. Okay. It's the OA delay. Right. Okay. So this is the this is the sound delay, so we can hear it. Then he should be doing exactly the same, but this time with the grid character. Right. This is where we are going to try and be clever, because he's copied the routine twice. So where's he looping back to? Ship materialization loop. Well, that's all the way down here. And then he's going back. To here. Okay. Right, so set bottom corner, left hand bottom corner, set right hand bottom corner, set upper right, center, upper left. Increases the screen character, checks to see if the animation's finished, resets it, does the delay for the sound, and then resets the grid. But then he goes off to the jump, materialization jump, which is down here. Has he got the character? Oh right, okay. So he hasn't done lower left, lower right, upper right, center. So he hasn't done one of them. That's why he does it down here. Right. So he sets that one, then loads the next character color, character, decrements OA. So his OA is definitely his counter. Compares it with FF. If it's equal, it comes to here where he's going to place the ship. If it's not, then he gets OF, and then subtracts whatever's in. Ah, right. So he subtracts whatever's in OA and uses that as the volume. So it go quiet to loud. Right. Let's see if we can do the same. Right. Where's our... Here it is. So we're drawing the grid. So JSR. Materialize ship. And if I've spelt it wrong, I don't care. Right. So we need a looper variable. So have I got one? Sound delay counter. Well, we can use that one because that is the one. Do I want to? What are we using? A, B, C, D, E. Are we using E? So this can be a what we'll use, a generic loop counter. So he's starting with OF. So we'll do the same thing. So he's setting the SID up. Am I doing the same thing? Frequency high 2. No. So let's do the same thing. Okay. So we are going to LDA hash. In fact, we'll just copy that. Right. Excuse me. Materialize. No. Want that one. Looper. So this is where it's going to go. So now, what are we going to do here? We need to be clever. So what should we do? Right, I'm trying to not have to do like Jeff's done, 2 routines. One to place the character and one to put the grid character back on. So I think we can make this into a routine that does that for us. And I think we should be fine. Yeah, I think we should be fine. So he's setting up that. Now, what am I going to do about this? So he's turning it off and then turning it back on. Do I want to do a routine? No. No. Right. So this is where we start being clever. So he's initializing the row to start with. Is he changing the row later on? Yes. Okay. So we've got the player character and we stored that. Now we need to store the player colour, I suppose. Didn't store the player colour, did he? Or did he? Oh, that is the player character colour. What am I talking about, John? We've stored the player... Ah, right, okay. So, what's he doing? Screen row, column, changes column, then loads the screen row again, subtracts 10, columns fixed, changes column, and then the last one, what's he doing here? This is, so he's done the delay, now he's wiping it back out. So, right, so he's doing that there as well. Oh, come on, chair, move. So we need to put that there as well. Because that's resetting the screen column, screen row. Then he's jumping to the materialize, which is down here. Just make sure we're getting this right. He stores, materialize, where are you? So he loads 09, puts it in the screen character, decreases his looper, and then goes, that's when it's finished, and then he goes back to materialize ship. So he's initializing the whole thing again. Initialize ship here. Right. Okay, well I think we can make this easier. Right, so let's so materialize ship. This is so we'll copy, whoops, down. So we'll copy all this till there. So taking the row, putting it there, loading 14, subtracting whatever's in 10, store it in the column, set it. Load 14. Do that. So that should be doing foot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is. Right. So we are going to do that here. So I'm going to JSR that. Then we can do this. So he's changing the character, loading it in, making sure that it's not hit the end animation. And if it is, to reset the animation. But that's not resetting, that's continuing. Continue with the materialization character. If it is that, then we load from the start again. Get rid of that. And then we're storing. So we're storing it in 9. Are we loading it from 9 anywhere? No. But one thing we ought to do is this. Because all the OAs are not OAs, it's that. Let's change all the OAs. What are you on about? Right, so what's 09 then? Grid row. He's using that as a grid row counter. Really? Okay. Okay. I think he's storing it in 09 as a temporary thing. Let's just have a quick look. Does he bring it back? Did I go past it? Yeah, I did. Yeah, right. So 09 is the character color. That character, screen character. So he's using 09. Now, do I want to use 09 because that's grid row? Ooh, no, I don't want to use that. Oh, there's one. Right, generic. I'll do. That will do nicely. Right, so what's he doing in this delay? Because now we're at the delay. So he's loading X with A. Let's have a peek at this again. So he's loading X with A. Why is he loading X with A if he's not even using it? So basically he's doing a double loop. He's doing a double two-stage loop. That's all. But he's testing if A is 0, don't do the loop. So that would be our generic loop counter. Okay. Then we will do the same because there's no other way of doing this. Right, what am I going to do? Where am I going to put this? But we get rid of all this rubbish. And make it a bit more readable. Right, so 30. Have I got 30 defined here? Yes, I have. Delay loop counter. So let's change all these. What are you moaning at? Oh, it's already defined. Where? Where? Morning, WauloK. How you doing? Oh, is that it there? That's it there. Okay, so we can do that. So we've already got it already here, so we can do that. Then we can take that one away because we've already got it. And what we'll do is we'll do the same thing that he's doing here, right? So he loads, so he's loading X with A, and then I only had one coffee. Right. But we've loaded X, so why can't we just do that? CPX hash $0 branch if equal to bypass delay and then here JSR that, because that's doing the same thing. Because we're only doing a two-stage loop. So we'll do the delay there. If it's 0, we'll bypass it. Okay. Oh, that's why X is in there. But that delay doesn't use X. Where is it? No, doesn't use X, so we're all right. So we can carry on. So dx branch not equal to sound looper minus. And that comes here. Because we need to test x for 0. dx goes round, is it 0, bypass the loop. But it would never hit 0. It would never, no, it would never hit 0, because as soon as it hit 0, it'd carry on. Jeff. Wonderful, wonderful. I said Jeff. You what? Your zombie's called Jeff? Yeah. What, in Minecraft? Yeah. No, I'm on about Jeff the Minter variety, not the zombie variety.
Well, it might be a zombie for weekend.
Yeah, they agree with you that it's one of the same thing. Someone's earwig into a conversation.
Sorry, I'm working.
No, you're alright. Right, so now he's doing the... You have to call it... Yeah. I'm not repeating that.
Go on.
It's apparently selective hearing.
You've got selective hearing.
Well, I don't know if it was at me.
I don't know, you've got selective.
Oh, I've got selective hearing. No, I've not seen his sofa. Right, so we should be able to run this routine, this materialization routine now with this which is basically clearing out the explosion of the ship, which is doing exactly the same thing. So we reset it. So we'll reset it back to the grid. So now we'll jump into this materialization section here. There we go. So he's loading back. So he's loading back the character, which is stored in that generic character. Okay. He's loading that back. He's storing it into screen character. So he's resetting it ready to go back. We are decrementing our generic looper. Let me tell him. Well, we're supposed to be having a get together when this lockdown's finished. Right. DEC. I want to make sure that I'm right. DEC. Does DEC set the 0 flag? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Right. If DEC... Oh, he's testing for FF though, isn't he? Oh. Okay. Comparing it with #FF. If it is, he's jumping away. So we should do the same. To materialize ship exit. So that can be down here somewhere. And And if it's not, what's he doing now? Right, so he's loading OF. And then he's... Why is he clearing the carry to do a subtract? What? What? Is this some new for? Why is he clearing the carry to do a subtract? If you clear the carry, is that subtracting 10? Right, so let's say he's subtracting 10. If you clear the carry, is that subtracting 10 or is that subtracting 11? So is it definitely... But he's loading OF and he's subtracting whatever's in A. Oh, now you make your mind up. Where's that website that you can put 6502 in to try out? Where's that website? Is it this one? Thank you, Andy. Knew you'd be on the case. Let's try it out, shall we? So he's loading in OF, right? And he's using this as the volume control. So keep that in mind, right? Because the volume can only go from 0 to F. Then he's doing clear carry. All right. Now, so the first time through, he would be subtracting OE. And the reason I say that is because he's already decremented it here. So he set it to FF and now he's decrementing it. That's maybe why he's done the clear the carry. Ooh. So we're subtracting OE. Right then, let's assemble that. Let's run it. Let's see what answer we get. Did it run? Why is my thingy not? Why is it not running? Why is it not changing the state of the accumulator? Okay, let's store it in OO. Really? Set A to be 1. Right. Let's make this easy. E. So it's taking 2 away. So it's taking 2, isn't it? So if that's 0, that'll take 1 away. Yeah. So it's taking 2 away. Yeah, I know. Keep your pants on. So, in what he's done then it's wrong. What he's done is wrong, because we've gone through it. We've gone through it, and we've decremented it. So it was OF, and now it'll be it was 15. Now it's 14. Yeah, and then he's going to take 2 away from it. So OF. So 50. So he's got 15. We've got 14 now, and he's now taking 2 away. So it's going to be 3. Because 15 minus 14 is 1. So it'd be 2. Yeah. We'll set carry. And if it's going to be interesting to see why he did CLC. Because when he gets to the top, so if it's OF minus 0, let's say he goes to the final one, he's actually minusing 1. Yeah, that just doesn't make sense. Okay, so we're gonna SBC the generic loop counter, and then we're gonna store it in the volume control. And then we go back round to here. So, and then the exit is RTS. Right. We've put it in, haven't we? We've got it in the game flow. Materialize shit. Right, let's put a breakpoint now. Let's see if we've got this nailed or not. I'll be glad when he fixes this resizing bug. Yeah, I'll bang that as well. Right, so SYS. I think this is slow and slow. Yes, it is. Right, there we go. Press enter. Space. Oh, is it on? Oh, really? I'm on joystick 2. Have I run the right? I'm running, yeah. Space. Hello. Oh. I have run the right one, haven't I? Yeah. Why is the joystick not working? Why is not working on the joystick again? There we go. Boom. Here we go. Right. So we need to be in a different view, which is that one. Because we want to look down here. Right? So let's see if we're going to get this right. Right, okay. Here goes nothing. Setting the SID chip. Store it away. There's the sound. Now we're using our routine that stores the stuff. Right, so there's the first one down here. I should be doing the second one, which is down here. And the third one, there it is, it's up there, look, it's just changed it. Then the fourth one should be in the center, which it is, it's here, look. And then the fifth one should be there, and it is. Right. Okay, so then we increase the character, load our looper counter, then it goes into the looper. So I'm going to put a breakpoint, not there, there. Let it run through, which it has. Get that off. Right, now it should clear it out. So here we go. So I would expect this one to disappear first. There it goes. Does it change the colour? Yes, it does. Right, next one, next one, next one, next one. Right. Okay, right. Let's F11 this, see what happens. Right. F6. See what this looks like in real life. Cool, this is slow. Oh, it's on 10%, that's why. Sound. How do we turn the sound back on? How do we turn the sound back on, guys? Is it that? Okay, let's see if that works. Right, so I should be on the wrong one. What switch? Is it Y? Alt and Y? Alt and J. Right, I'll have to remember that. Hey! I'm not sure that's right. I wouldn't expect it all into before. He's doing it to there. Is it one out? So that would be down here. Because on that routine here, there's a lot of 14s, and we're doing 15 here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here, 15. That's 15. If I make, let's make it 15. Let's see what happens. Right, because I want a square in the middle where the ship's going to go. No, it's just moved it over. Let's see if I can catch this and run it in slow-mo. That's out. That is out. Yes, that is definitely out. Oh, I've got it still on 10%, haven't I? Let's warp. There we go. Right. Right, I'm going to put the mouse over where it thinks the centre is. Okay. Unpause. Here we go, it's coming in. That is out, isn't it? That is out. What? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Want the we've got 3 lines here. So this side's 3, but this side's 4. Let's have a look at that routine. Somewhere it's getting itself all tied up in knots. So 14 subtract, okay, 14. So it's after it's done the center, which is this here. Right, let's get rid of all this. So it's these last 2 and the first one that's out. So 14 minus, there's the column. 14 plus, oh, he's done it again, look. Oh, he's done it again. Has he? Oh, he's done it for... What? How did this thing ever work? And there, he's not even doing it. How did this thing ever work? Oh, we're on slow mode. Right. Well, that looks better now. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, no. Let's put it back. 100%. Where's the sound? Sound. Right. Reset soft. Right. That's what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. How did that... I'm going to have to check his maths when we're doing it, because if we've now seen 3 places where he's used CLC for a subtract. Ridiculous. Right. So the next thing is placing the ship, which is here. Okay, so let's put another function in here. Yeah, I'll be doing a quick check for SBCs to make sure that he's, 1, that he's set it, and 2, that he's not... Oh, I just can't believe... Oh well. It's a testament that it's not crashed it. Yeah, I suppose. Right, so this is where he's setting the ship in a nutshell. Always expect the same result, yeah. Well, if you think about it, it would get the same result all the time. So in his eyes, it's not broken. But when you really look at it, yes, I think sometimes, sometimes it happens to me. You get code blindness where you just can't see what's going on. I mean, Neptune lander, there are several videos where I have actually gone code blind, and I know from certain individuals that are on this stream right now that used to shout at the screen because I couldn't see it until an hour later. So you'd... Who, me? But you do. You can suffer from code blindness. You could be looking directly at it, and just can't see what the problem is. Or the fact that there's no problem, it's working. No comment. Oh, what am I doing? We'll leave them in. So that's the ship placement. So that should, right, F6. That should now go all the way to where the ship is. Right, let's blow this up. Because I'm sure you guys can't see it that much. There we go. Right. What was that? Right, here we go. Do it again. Hang on. That's the proper one, isn't it? Right. Alt J. That's what it's supposed to do. Boo, 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 boo. Oh. So why is the wibble wobble effect not working? That was funny, that was. I've got to do that again. Listen to it, alright? Alt J. Okay. Beep, beep. Right, what's going on? Wibble wobble sound effect. Yes. Oh dear. Wibble wobble sound effect. What is going wrong with this? So what are we doing wrong? Oh, it's the raster. Okay. It's the raster. How are we going to do that? Because that's running it a few times. So what I've done is I've added 20 to it, so it runs it 4 times in a frame. What's X? What am I doing for X? Reduce sound cycle by 1. Ooh, hang on. Wibble wobble. Where is that? Does it load X? Oh yeah, it does. Load X with O2. So we've done the same thing, haven't we? So it's X. So where have I got X? Okay. So we load X with O2. Let's go back to the wibble wobble sound effect. Then we do the loop, and then it's the master control. But that is not the wibble wobble sound effect. This is. Wait, go to definition. Oh, it's there. Right, this is going to complain bitterly. Right, this is not the wibble wobble sound effect. This is the ship placement echo, thud echo. So we're all right. We can use OE again. Where is it? The generic looper, because we've finished with it, because the ship is now on the ground. So we can use that there and there. And then he's doing and he's decrementing it there. So, how can we do this? Because he's doing a delay, but he's doing it twice. He's doing the delay twice. Where's the delay gone? Right, JSR delay. So that's that. So it's the 2-stage with that bit on the end. Right. So it's definitely in there. Will that assemble? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it assembled. Okay. So ignore this. This is not going to error. So he's doing. So he jumps back round through here. So this is right. Okay. So this is a sound effect that will not. It's too fast for the raster, I think. Don't know if you could hear that. One of the dogs is having a nightmare or dream or something. Right, let's change this. See what we get now. It's better. Now, could we do that on the raster? Could we make this delay be raster driven rather than this inner loop thing? No, I'm not sure, because it's going through it twice, because it's setting the X here and then it's going through it twice. It's going through this thingy twice here, and then it goes back to the outer loop and sets it again, and then again, and then again, and then again. But that's done it. I don't know what the pause is though. There's a definite pause. There. Why is that pausing? Why is that pausing? What does this side do? Okay. Does it straight away? Does it straight away, but I don't. Mine doesn't. Now, why would that be? Why would that be? I don't delay it anywhere, do I? I delay it here. Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's not at this bit here. Loop generator. So that would go through. See, it would hit 0 there. So it would do a 0. Load. Branch if equal to bypass, which is here. DX. But if it's 0, that can't be right. Can't be right. Right, here we go. Oh, he's doing it here. I think that's 0, and then because it does a DX, it doesn't become 0 anymore. I'm going to iron exit. Let's try that. Bless you. Alt. Okay. Oh, and the crowd goes wild. Yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. So, yeah. So I'm precise on this. So it's coming through. And it must be as it bypasses here, but then goes to DX, which is what he's doing here. Because this delay routine, let's sneak a peek at that. He's doing that, but he jumps to here, which it returns back to here. So he must, I bet he doesn't get to 0. I bet he doesn't get to 0. Can't do. So just increasing it by 1 means that when it runs through the once, comes to here, DEX, jumps out. Silly. All these silly things. Right. So I need a variable, I need a constant for that. Need a constant for that. So we've got the explosion here. So explosion init radius equals $14. Because on the Vic it'll be a different rate, it'll be a different radius than than on the 64, so that needs to be a constant. Is there any other places where we think I need to put some markers in here, don't I? Let's put some markers in it. So that's part of the same routine. That's that. Place ship. Let's go up. Draw horizontal lines. Draw vertical lines. Draw grid. There. Two-stage delay. So this is battle stations. Clear the screen area. Single loop. X loop. Joystick capture. Yep. So this is the display copyright. Oh no. That's not it. It's up here. Title screen. Display Jeffy Minter. Create screen mapping. And then we've got the game loop. Right. So we've identified, okay, so now I know where I'm going to be going. I'm going to have to reorganize this because, like here, why am I not using these two? Right, why? So those two, I should be using those two, surely. Echo, that's here. Because we're doing the two-stage, which is this twice. Sure it is. Two-stage delay. Oh, I can't do a oh, can I? Peak definition? No, it's in here, that's why. Oh, let me have a look. Where is it? Two-stage delay. There we go. So, in there, we're doing the 256 delay, which is this one. So that's effectively storing it in there, decreasing it. Our difference is we're using registers here. This is using that memory variable. Okay. Okie dokie 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 dokie. Right. Right, so that's it. That's it. We're now in the realms of setting up the game. Which is all this. So we're in the realms of setting up the game. So we've done the grid building, we've done the screen manip, so it's here. This is where we are, where we're setting up the game. So we've got clear bomb array. What else we got? Where's all the settings? Sure, it goes off to the settings. Can't be just that clear bomb array. Where's the? We've got a load of settings somewhere. Oh, here we go. Number of snakes. So we've got to go through this. Find all occurrences. Control find. Right, here we go. So this is set up the game for this level. There we go. Right, so there must be another section. Let's get up here. Game activation. So that's the ship materialization. So he's got to go somewhere. Main game loop. Main game loop there. So where's he setting it up? Oh, excuse me. Can't be that. No, it's not that. So where's he setting it up? Game activation. Let's find out where that's been called from. Okay. Setup game for this level. Oh, that's there. Display battle stations. Oh, right. We didn't do that then, did we? Oh, have we? No. Display battle stations. No. There it is. And we didn't do the game setup. Right. So we need to do a game setup routine that gets all the information and sets everything up. So that's centering. Who did? Hang on. Where did? Game activation is there. So back up. lost it. Right, okay. So this is the wibble wobble on the wibble wobble effect on the battle stations. So he's doing the game activation after that. So game activation. So we need to find where is it? There. So he's jumping to that. But before then, he's doing the display, entering grid, that's this bit. But somewhere here, and I think it's this, that's the bit that we want. So we need a routine called set up the game for this level. So we need to do exactly this. So let's grab it. And make it into a routine of our own. So let's do that. Let's put this at the bottom. Right, set up game for this level. Okay. Increase number of lines, load number 9, da 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 da. Decrease number of lives. What on earth is that all about? Does it? Sometimes I get really frustrated the way he's done things. Battle stations, enter, set up the game. Okay. So number of lives is on the screen. So he's increasing the number of lines, loads it, and decreases. Same with the current value. Current level, but that's in 35. So we needs more no-ops, yeah. So we don't need this. That's just to display it on the screen. And we do that, I think, in the display. Where's right, go to that. So we load the current level. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rem that out because I'm not sure we need that. I am not sure we need that, to be honest. Don't need that. Don't need that. Or that. Increase level. But we're increasing level, so I don't think we need that either. Get rid of that. The only reason I'm keeping it in just in case. Right, now we're setting up the level. So we're loading the current level number. getting the number of snakes -1. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Because we are going to do DEX. Because we don't have level 0. Get rid of all this. Oh, hang on. -1. So, oh right, okay. -1 because 0 would be here. 1, 2, right, okay. So that means 0 is a number. Or is it because it shows level 1? Hang on. Does it show level 1? Entering 1. So he's entering 1, that's why he's minusing 1. But it's in fact it's level 0. So if that's level 1, if I do DEX, yes, I can get rid of this -1 rubbish. Don't need this, or this, or this, or that. So we're loading the number of snakes for each level, the length of the snake, and the delay for the laser fires. Right, I'm going to be a good boy and put this with the rest of the stuff up here. Right, so what does that routine do? And we need to make sure that it does it. So we store it in 2A, 2B, 3, 4. Okay. Right, let's see if we get the right numbers. Should have done it. Right, so we need to monitor was it 2A? Was it 2A? Number of snakes is 2A. Let's write this down. 2A, 2B. I think the third one was 3, 4, wasn't it? Yeah, 3, 4. Right, so for level 0, we should have 01, 06, excuse me, and 10. What have we got? 01, 06, and 3, 4 is 10. Get in there, get in there. Another bug fix of Mr. Minter's. Get in there. So now it's activating the game. Which is all this rubbish. So we've done that. So now we need to do all this. So we'll call it game activation as well. Right, what we're doing. So we're putting the ship into the ship column, but we've already done that up here. Place the ship. So why can't we do that up there? Ugh, hang on. Right, let's solve that particular problem. So we don't need that. Ship row. Have I got a ship row here? Yes, we do. There. So we can put that in there. Right. So setting horizontal ship 1 to be at 1, vertical ship to be at 2, loading 4 into the outer grid ship timer, loading 10 into the outside out ship firing timer, storing it in, what's that? Oh, attack and decay for 3, storing in active laser flag, clear bomb. Go to what we're doing here. Oh, it's just a simple thing. Okay. LDX hash space character. What? Right. That must be 20. So we have 20, oh that's right, 20 bombs. 32 bombs, sorry. Right. This is Mr. Minter's way of DEXing. So we're going to set this to 1F. And we are going to set this to that. And we are going to do branch shift minus. Oh, branch shift plus. That'll resolve that issue. So we can get rid of that. Set some more timers. Oh, why are we doing this thing twice? Oh, why are we loading it, storing it and storing it? Why? Oh, and down here as well. Yeah. Absolutely ridiculous. RTS. Right, so that should be active. So that's activating all the timers. Now, I'm not sure if we're going to use the timers or use the raster as a timer and then work off that. But we'll see. So 11, 16, 15. Okay. Well, we know we're getting the right numbers here, so we're all right there. This is just generally setting up our stuff. What happens next? So he does that and then he goes to the game loop. Right, okay, so we should be set for the game loop. So we're now in the realms of this here. Cool. Right, let's just make sure it still works. Oh my god, it remembered. Oh, excellent. Yeah, I'm on the right joystick. Just need to start controlling it. Right. I think it's a good place to stop there. And because now we're going to be starting into the game loop. So the first thing we're going to do in the next episode, next stream, is to do the game controls. And we might get the fire controls done as well. So that we can do. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I hope it's been informative and not boring. We're going to get into the fun bits now. Now we've set it up, we're going to get into the fun bits. Alright guys, let's see who's around. Oh, Hayes is online. Let's go and attack him. Right then guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next stream, yeah? Take care. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.